It's spring, and I got my plants out here being watered from the rain. They're loving it, y'all, and they are drenched. Yes. And these plants are going tomorrow because I think it'll be raining tomorrow again. Or it looks like it's going to be raining all day, so I'll just put them out because the other one's already drenched already. I put my timer on for 11:30 a.m. so I know to bring them back in, the ones that are outside. And these are on my windowsill in my living room. I mean, I watered them 2 days ago, I think. So this is my string of hearts. I think this kind of needs some water too. It's dry. And this is my Rosales. Loves water. But yeah, I'll bring some of them out now. The plants that are outside was on this windowsill, the kitchen windowsill. So I'm gonna clean it up before I bring the plants back in here. That's that, guys. Going to be outside from now on since it's spring because it really wants to trail, but it's getting leggy at the same time, and I don't like that look. So I'm gonna just leave it outside with the rest of the plants. But then again, I'm gonna put it out there to get watered since it looks like it's gonna be raining all day. Yep, here we go. It's like really raining all I'm a horrible mom. I just broke a leaf in half. Aw. It's all right. I know you're going to grow some more. So yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put them back where they belong. I know they're happy because they are drenched. Look at their soil. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, y'all. This is what the baby's looking like. They are feeling refreshed. I don't know what to do with this. So I just like the fact that it trails, but I don't like the leggy part. I just removed all the dead leaves that was on it. And from my begonia as well. I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing. Look, showing out for sure. But I love it. I like the setup, what it's looking like so far. All right, let's go handle the windowsill in the room. I'm trying to think about this Dieffenbachia, if I should put it outside, but I need to replant it because I don't like the way it's growing. Like it started off thick and then it's starting off really thin right here. I'm scared. So that's why I got these sticks holding it up as straight as possible. But we'll see. All right, y'all. I'm gonna keep my agave outside. There's certain plants I'm just gonna keep outside because it's spring and it deserves to be outside. So. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm just gonna take my exotic Scadaptus and put it out there, but because the soil is still wet from the last time I watered it, I don't think it's a good idea. I don't want it to get like the roots to be rock. What's that thing called again? But it's trolling, y'all. I like this look. I love this look. And the leaves are getting big. But they're turning yellow because they're either overwatered. I overwatered them. Oh my God, I hate that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it against the wall closer and clean this whole mess up and get it together, y'all. Trying to get it together for spring. It's never too late to get your life together. And then I already put my what do they call this again? My mini monstera. I don't know the actual term. Well, I know it, but I don't know how to pronounce it. And this is a mixture of my golden pothos with my monstera addisoni. And this is my ZZ Raven. So I got 3 of these to put outside. All right, guys, I got these plates cleaned the best way I can. So now I'm gonna put them back where they belong, which is under the plants. Y'all, look how long my Scindapsus has gotten and I didn't even realize it. And I'm just gonna let it because it got more to catch up to. Guys, let's talk about this sticker real quick. Get you some. I'm gonna go ahead and post it down in the description box down below. Get you some. And it works, as you can see what it's doing. So I'm just gonna pull those bugs off and then just leave it on. All right, y'all, the babies are back. This was always there, guys. But I did a change. I put shoes on this one, on my mini monstera, and I got this holding on to it because the other half broke. So I got it propagating along with the Brazil plant. And this is how it's set up, guys. Back to their same space that they were. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.